This is the first monumental change in a home security system or commercial security system that I've seen in my entire life. You think they can't get any better, you think they can't create or invent something new, and then something like this comes out and you got to tell the whole world. And look, this is not hyperbole. I really mean this sincerely. This is going to save lives. It's going to help you hire employees and keep employees. It's going to keep your kids safe when they're coming home from school. It's going to keep your spouse and your kids safe when they're driving around the car. This is absolutely a groundbreaking technology, and all of my customers are getting ready to hear about it. But do me a favor, would you? I found out today that 92% of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed. It would do us a huge favor, and we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. We're a little different, right? We discuss personal protection, firearms, home defense, commercial security, like everything that really keeps your family, friends, employees, business safe. Like we try to watch all those things, and it's a lot of topics. But let's talk about the safety button, which it's like a panic button nationwide. So if you have an Alarm.com security system, whether it's residential or commercial, those accounts will automatically come with some safety buttons. I personally think they should have called it Nationwide Panic Button. But essentially it's this, and I'm going to walk you through the app in just a second. I've already done a screen recording to try to walk you through some of those features. But on your phone there will be like a panic button, and this will work on Android, it'll work on iPhones. So let's say, for instance, you have employees, and we're just going to start there for a minute. Well, they may be bartenders, they may be, night clerks, people that come and go late at night. You may have people who are waitresses that are carrying cash out, going to their cars. Downtown Nashville here locally has a bunch of those. And so, one of the problems they're having is walking people to and from the cars, paying security or waiting to walk out in groups so those people are safe. And even with this new feature, that's just good protocol, right? Protect each other. But on the app now you have something called a safety button, and this is what it looks like. You can literally, while you're walking from the restaurant to your car, or while your kids get off the school bus and they're walking from the school bus home, or, and this is, I'm not going to go into any detail about this, but one of my wife's friends got murdered about 6 weeks ago. She was jogging on a greenway down in her hometown. My wife didn't even want me to tell you where the hometown was. But she was jogging on a greenway, and she was stabbed to death. And then the murderer took her car. They did find him. He'd been released multiple times. Had she had this, she might have been saved. But here's what happens. Basically, you hold a button on your phone, and while you're walking to your car with your money, you can, if something happens, something dangerous happens, you can release the phone. What happens immediately is the monitoring station is alerted about who you are, where you are with GPS coordinates, and then they can call you. They're going to text you, and they can call you. You can cancel a dispatch from the police by giving them the proper PIN code or password. But if you want the police dispatched, the monitoring station can literally provide the GPS coordinates to the police, and the police can come to the location that you are and hopefully intervene and save your life. They thought through everything, and I was utterly amazed when I sat down and looked at this demo. I knew this was coming out, but sometimes when you hear about new technology, you just don't pay attention to it. You kind of slough it off as, well, that's not great. And that's kind of how I felt about a lot of the things that have been released the last couple of years. It's okay, but it ain't great. This is great. So you're a waitress downtown Nashville, and you're walking from the restaurant to your car. You got $300 for working for the night, and it's in your apron or in your pocket or in your purse. And you're nervous about walking down the alleyway or getting to the parking lot, getting to your car. Well, you can put your thumb on the button on your phone while you're walking there. If you take your thumb off the button, that's when within 10 seconds it's going to immediately call the monitoring station. But when you take your phone off, you can cancel it by putting in your 4-digit code, Your PIN code cancels the alarm. It doesn't actually go through the monitoring station. And then you just get in your car and you leave. You can keep your thumb on your phone till you get in your car, get locked away, then you can cancel, the app. Can you imagine, how many things could have been avoided if we had a panic button nationwide for people who were being accosted, who were being mugged. God, my wife's friend who was being murdered in the park down where she's from. I have not seen anything that honestly that I felt was groundbreaking in years. They call it the safety button. I don't think that's the right terminology. I think the right one would be, nationwide panic or something like that. I don't know. Maybe the safety button's a better idea. But if you will, there's going to be another video I'm going to put on the website. It's going to demo this in a little more detail for you. If you would like to have a panic button added to your phone to work with your security system, feel free to call us. We'll be glad to help you out. I think this is phenomenal. I think it's going to save lives. And it's not boring tech, right? Everybody's got an Android or an iPhone. Unfortunately, even 6-year-old kids now have some kind of phone. Please like and subscribe. We would love to have you on the channel. And if you have any questions, concerns, things you want to know about, put them down below. There's going to be more about this app because I've just skirted across the highlights. I do have a video that I'm going to be clipping in here that also shows you kind of how to set the thing up. It's easy. Anybody can do it. My mom could do it, and she's not good with technology. Nicest way I can say it. Thank you for liking and subscribing.